now they'll touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And Tool Sam is back in action in the workshop. Really good to have you back, Sam. Again.
Yeah.
Guys,
always back.
Always. Sam never ever lets me down. And Sam, you had a bit of an issue this week, didn't you? Which really threatened you maybe not turning up today.
Well, yeah, I didn't think I was going to make it because someone tried to siphon gas out of my car and cut the fuel pipe. Instead of actually getting any gas out, they just ruined it, basically.
Yeah, they just mutilated that fuel filler pipe, didn't they? The filler neck pipe that goes down to the tank. Got a Stanley knife or
fixed
blade
it.
or whatever it is. Yeah, it was a bit of a panic earlier in the week when you found out. I was ringing around trying to find a new filler neck pipe, and
yeah, they don't make them anymore.
No,
so you got to get them secondhand.
Yeah, the only one I could find was sat on a shelf in Japan. In fact, the guy from Mazda was saying, I very much doubt they've got one. But anyway, they had one over in Japan. It was going to be 2 weeks, which was way too long. We were planning an emergency trip up north to fix Sam's car with a quick bodge to get it back on the road again, just so she could come down and film. And then you managed to find one secondhand at a local Wreckers, which was brilliant. So do you remember the Wrecker's name? No, whoever that is.
Some parts place.
Some parts place. Some guy's back garden full of cars, probably.
There's some nice lady that talked about her dog, so I was entertained.
Oh, nice. Good stuff. Well, listen, it's really good that you made the effort to get your car fixed and get down here this morning. Is it still morning? I don't know if it is. It probably is just about morning.
I wouldn't know.
It's been one of those days. I've had a very...
driving all morning.
Yeah. Okay, well, this is a mail call video because we've got more stuff has arrived. And Sam, if you want to grab that first box there, look, this turned up only, I think it was yesterday actually. It turned up on Thursday afternoon. This has been sent by the people that make the shirts for us down in Invercargill, and that's their uniformnz.com. And Angela is the lady down there that looks after sort of my account and does all the stuff for us. And she rang me up and said, "Hey Andy, there's a parcel coming your way." So, oh, cool. I'll get Sam to open that. So, Sam, we have a parcel to open. Now, I'm pretty sure it's going to be some kind of clothing in there, but other than that, I've no idea. So it's a bit of a surprise for me too. Okay, there you go. That's for you. You're probably going to need...
Something.
Oh, dear. Jeez. Okay, there you go. Be careful. All right. Now, there is clothing in there, so don't go attacking it. You look very dangerous with that.
I feel dangerous.
Yeah. That'll work. Right, and then just flick across the ends. What do they say? Never cut towards yourself. You know, I stabbed myself in the leg once doing that. Not opening a parcel. I was cutting a bit of rope. And I was kneeling down, and it was a knife like this, and straight into my leg.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Yeah, I'll try that one.
But it works best if you don't cut yourself.
Yeah, it wasn't good. I didn't want to tell Mum. Anyway, right, go on, Sam. Dig in. See what we've got. Free cardboard. Oh, cool. Oh. I need cardboard. I can do diagrams on cardboard. It's got a hat. Oh, wow. Look at that.
There's 3 hats.
Bloody good.
Okay.
Well, you better chuck one on for a start. Yeah, look.
What are these?
What have you got?
Booty shorts.
Oh, nice.
With that pocket. What are these for?
Well, you're asking the wrong kind of person here. You're the chick.
Chapstick? Like,
that could be it's a
literally
chapstick
the
holder.
only thing that would fit.
Yeah.
And who does that? I'd rather wear a fanny pack.
Cool, okay.
That's so
Anything
cool.
else? What else have we got? In fact, we'll put the cardboard out and we put things on the cardboard.
Yeah,
the
don't
bench,
get it dirty.
the bench isn't the cleanest place in the world.
Oh god.
What have we got?
Full blown.
Oh my word. Bloody cool. It's got all the logos on and everything.
These look so cozy.
Fantastic. Oh, you have to try that on a bit later on. Good job. What else? There's still half a box in there. What else have we got?
More jackets?
I don't know. Is it another one? Have they sent me
Is
it?
this a
Because that one is not going to fit me. That's obviously a tool girl jacket.
This must be the one.
Oh, and I get the tent. There we go. Look, fantastic. Oh,
Yeah, this.
Angela, thank you very much. We really,
So
really
cool.
appreciate that. These are very, very cool, and we will wear them a lot. Okay, right, jackets probably not for now, although you can probably try that one on a bit later on. I think those need to go on,
That's
don't you?
awesome.
Yeah, definitely, and you've got a cap, so there's a cap there as well. God, you're going to be all Andy Mechanicked out. Jeez. Stick these back in here for now. Cool. That looks very smart.
Right, yeah.
Should be
That's
adjustable.
okay.
I hope so. Because my head's very different size to your head.
Still too tight. I mean, not tight. It's gonna be too loose overall. Yeah.
It's pretty
This
cool,
is
isn't
as
it?
tight as it can go.
Really? Is that right?
Yeah. I must have a small
Oh
head.
yeah, you got a little tiny head. Okay.
Little bobble head.
Oh, very cool, Sam.
Check it out.
Look at that.
Oh,
God,
the
you are.
same on the other side. And the pocket. That no one knows the use for.
No, not yet. If you know the use for that pocket, tell
Just
us.
let us know. Because
Yeah, put it
it's
in the
bothering
comments.
me.
All right, Sam, grab that big parcel over there. Look, see what we've got inside that one.
Oh, we're a bit heavy.
Oh my word! Holy shit! Right. Okay, same again. I'll let you. I'll hold it, but you can open it up. So if you want to
Don't
run,
be scared.
I'm already scared. Okay, and at the ends again, because it is well wrapped. That's one. Right, now just before we open this, just chuck us the knife, Sam. I've just spotted something that's been left in the... It says, I'm a bit worried, it says invoice enclosed. God, I haven't got any money. What do you expect me to pay for stuff? Okay, let's see what the invoice says first. Oh, it's from ISL Industrial Limited, which is our supplier for 10 tools. What have we got? Maybe I can't show you all of this, I don't know. Oh, look at that. I do like, what I can do is I can show you the zeros. Look at that. No charge. That means Brandon's been a great mate again and sent some more stuff down. Let's find out what we've got, eh? All right, Sam. Dig into the box. It's like Christmas, isn't it? What have you got? Oh my
Horse
word.
saddle.
A horse saddle? It's not a horse saddle. What is it? Oh,
A
it's
man saddle?
it's a tool belt.
That is pretty.
And it's like,
sure.
now that's a,
Is that
that,
proper
that's a
leather?
proper leather one. What is it? It's let's have a look. There's a little label there, look. So it's a journeyman carpenter apron. So we'll take that off. There we go. Got one of those, and that's made by them. Look. So obviously, Brandon's company is the importers for this, ISL Industrial. And he's already put it on the smallest setting, so he's hoping it's going to fit, Sam. Jeez. All right, there you go. That's for you. Cunnies. What's it called?
Coonies.
Coonies AP-625. It's always good to quote the part numbers. Go on, Sam. Is it going to fit? This is the question, because it's a pretty big tool belt for a small tool girl.
I feel like I'm putting on a WWE belt.
Oh, it's gonna need
Oh.
some modification, isn't it? Otherwise, it's gonna just drop to the floor, I think.
Yeah, I'm a stick.
Well, slim, not a stick. Come on now. Oh, it stays
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Okay, well, we can maybe sort of make that work. That's fantastic. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to
This
cut
is
that.
a bit.
Yeah, tuck it in a pocket maybe for now. I'll cut that down because that's your tool belt. Nobody else is gonna wear that. All right, give us a twirl. That gonna work for now? I'll trim it down. Okay, give us a full 360. Wow, I can load you up with tools now. We can do like on location repairs.
Be like,
You will.
I can't move.
I'll get like 20 kgs of tools put in there.
Yeah, probably. They seem really sturdy. Whoa.
Twin power tools. Oh, hammer. Yeah, we'll load it up later on. I'm sure we'll get some tools put in there.
Sweet.
Perfect. Okay, Sam, what else have we got? Have a look. Everything's heavy, isn't it? Everything's heavy. Go on, show the people. What is it? I don't know. It's a 60-piece something. Oh, 1/4-inch drive, 10 tools, socket set. Bloody good. Okay, pull the cover off. We don't need that. Get rid of that. Oh, away. Whoa. When you open a toolkit, you can't open it on its side. Okay. Jeez. Oh, this is a bit posh. Hang on then. Oh, there we are. Right, you ready? You ready for this?
Oh. Right.
What's it got? What's it got? Has it got some cardboard? Oh, there we are. Look.
And that
Bloody
do not
good.
eat stuff.
Brandon, you are too good to us, mate. Honestly, that is fantastic because, in all honesty, my little 1/4-inch drive, which is always kept on top of my messy toolbox. Now, people are going to laugh at this. I've had this since 1995. That's all that's left of it. It's had a very hard life, and I actually bought 3 of these sets because we had them in our little quad bikes when we were out doing the quad trails and stuff as like a repair kit. And this is the remnants of all I've got left. I've got 1 ratchet left that I keep in the drawer because it doesn't fit in the box. It's a different brand, but yeah. So it's about time that we changed to, well, shiny stuff. Got to find a home for that now. Jeez. Okay, let's pop the lid back on there. All right, Sam, you can get rid of that. There's more stuff in the box. Yeah, Sam. It's heavy again. Okay, what is it? What's it say on the top? Down there. Look.
Torque wrench.
It's a force 10 torque wrench. Wow.
Upside down.
And what's the rating of it? Let's have a look. So it's a force 10 torque wrench, and it's 70 to 350 Newton meters. That is awesome because my torque wrench, which is this one here, is that the big one? It is the big one. Right, that's mine, which we've used in many, many videos, which is I think it's a tour bar. There, look, there's the brand name. And it only goes up to 100 Newton meters, which is often not enough. So it's like, do it up with the torque wrench, then give it a yuck and hope for the best. Yeah, that's sort of what you have to do when you haven't got the right torque wrench, isn't it? So this one is going to be used, I use it a lot on, when I'm doing the quad bikes and the side-by-sides that I service, the CVT drive, the sheaves are held on with some pretty tight nuts, and you need to be able to crank them up to the right spec. Plus things like crankshaft pulleys, camshaft pulleys and things, they can be pretty tight too, so a decent torque wrench is really good. So Brandon, what can I say, mate? You guys have done me proud yet again. They always come to the table. And in actual fact, I popped in to see Brandon. This is when he gave me the parcel. I popped in to see him yesterday afternoon on my way home from work. And he's put in a request that he would like us to go down. He's invited us down to the Tang Tools head office, the HQ in Auckland. And he would like Tool Girl Sam to come along. And we're going to do some filming actually in their big sort of presentation room where they have all the tools and everything. Because he's got more surprises for us.
It sounds fun.
Yeah, so it should be really cool. Now, Brandon also did mention that they do a lot of trade shows, the Tang, all over New Zealand. And they are very interested in having Tool Girl Sam on their stand.
What, like a picture of me, or?
Yeah, just a cardboard cutout. Yeah, we'll just post it out to wherever the show is. And no, it'll actually be Sam, hopefully, if we can pull it off. You get to go and do some...
So it'll be short size.
Yeah, it won't cost much in cardboard. But no, seriously, they're actually going to hopefully have you on stand with their tools and when they do the big shows. So if you're keen, there's an option there to get you on board. And think of the money. It's going to be big bucks, isn't it? Because big company.
Well, they're going to have to.
They could pay you a lot more than
Fork out.
Awesome. Okay, there's one more thing that I want to do on this mail call. Now, there are no letters. I tried, after I went to go and see Brandon, I tried to get to the PO box in time, and they close at 4:30, and it just didn't happen. The traffic in Auckland yesterday was horrific. So, if you've sent any letters through to the PO box address, or goodies, or whatever you want to send through, I will check again in a couple of weeks and gather up and fill the boot of the car with all the stuff that you've been sending through, because it's getting more and more at the moment. And every single letter will appear on a mail call, so we will be thanking you directly for whatever you send through. And if you don't want to send stuff through, that's fine. But even a letter is cool. Just the old school snail mail. Yeah, it's more fun than an email, isn't it? Or a comment on YouTube or something. So feel free to do that. The PO box address will be at the bottom of this video. Okay. Now, there was one more thing I wanted to mention. Now, in the last couple of weeks, we've had a new patron come through on the Patreon page, and the chap's name is Aidan Lodo, and he joined on the 12th of August. So Aidan, like I like to do for all the new patrons that come through, I'd like to thank you personally for your donation. It really is much appreciated, and it helps this channel to rumble on the way that it does, because, you know, we do spend money making these videos. Definitely. Okay, well, that's about it, I think, isn't it, Sam? I think we're all done. You've got all these,
I'm all suited up.
all this gear, and I've got new tools, and it's just fantastic. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, and there's lots more to come in the future, and there's already about 480 videos already on the channel. And Sam, that's terrible. I'm just going to bring that down a bit for you. There we are, look, that's better. Okay, I'll just stand back a bit. There, tool belt and everything.
Should probably make that
I need to put another hole in it, I think. I need to put
Yeah.
a Sam-size hole in there.
maybe like a bit.
Yeah, we'll mark it up. I'm actually
One, two.
somewhere, hiding in the house somewhere, I've got one of those proper like wheelie leather punch
That's
things.
sweet.
So we'll I'll find that before you come next time. We'll give it a hole. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up. You can click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. And our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. You'll also find me on
Facebook,
You will find me on YouTube.
Facebook,
We're already on
Google
YouTube. So,
Plus, Twitter,
you've had a tough
and
week.
Instagram.
You've had a tough
I'm
week.
tired.
You're always tired, girl.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's hard work.
I have low iron levels, so I'm always tired.
I'm sure I've got an old nail you could chew on for a bit. That'll help. Yeah.
Harden up.
Okay, crew. Well, it's goodbye from me. And Patreon page. That's right. So you can drop onto there. In fact, I need to talk about that because I have put up loads of posts on the Patreon page this last week. I don't know. Did you see any of them, Sam, or not? No. Okay. You should have a look. Because
I'm not really like savvy.
well,
My
I think
laptop is really slow.
is it an old one? Is it
It's one of those Samsung ones and we got it for free with like a tablet or like an internet or something.
You tend to know when you get free laptop
Yeah,
that it's not going to be the
much.
greatest. But hey, so what I've done, and Sam doesn't know obviously, is I did a post on a new workshop that we're putting together, which is going to happen. It's a long-term project, so there'll be little videos dropping in, probably be one a month or something, just to give you an update on how that's going. That workshop's a long, long way from where we are right now. There is also a profile on each of the tool girls that have starred on the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. So Sam's got a picture. Well, there's lots of screenshots that have been dropped in there as attachments, and there's probably about, I don't know, half a page of text running through Sam and the history on the channel and the things that you've done and all that kind of stuff. So feel free to drop onto there. That's available to anybody. You don't have to be a patron to read all that stuff. Yeah, pretty interesting to see how all the tool girls are very different and which ones have come and gone. And Sam's still here, which is fantastic. Good job, Sam. Okay, crew. Well, that really is it. It's goodbye from me and
Tool Girl Sam out.
Tool Girl Sam out.
My new cat.
Cheers, crew. We'll see you next time. Over and out. And we get the up again.
Oh!
Beauty.